Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chrysler 200 and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to 200s made from 2011 all the way up to 2014, and also it will apply to 200s powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine. Now the engine air filter is located right here next to the engine under this cover. So the first thing you want to do, you have to unscrew 4 Phillips screws. So one here, one here, one here, and one just down there. Now you don't have to remove these screws all the way, but just enough so they're not holding anymore. And now here is your engine air filter, and you can just pull it out without taking all this completely away. Now if you still can't reach it and can't pull it out, what you will have to do, first you have to disconnect these rubber holes right here, which will just slide off, and then you want to loosen up this screw, and then again slide off the cover of these rubber holes. But like I said, you don't have to do it because you can just pull the filter out this way, right? Okay, I did it with one hand, so you should be able to do it as well. And one more tip, before installing the new engine air filter, you also want to make sure to clean the inside of this air box as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.